I had a bad day. Now my jeans gave away. One wrong move, that's it. I paid the brown cloth tax. So I walked out proud. Then I felt that cloud. Too late, too real. Now I know the deal. What a mess I made. I tried to play it cool, but that truth won't fade.
Brown pants.
Goddamn.
Brown pants.
Poopy in my pants. Poopy in my pants.
Brown pants.
Goddamn.
Brown pants.
I said not like this. Then it hit me like this. I'm sad, anxious. I'm avoiding stairs, trying to walk real neat, like I didn't leak. Got a tight little grin, but I'm fighting the sin. Every step I take is a tiny mistake. Oh, what a mess I made. I tried to laugh it off, but that stain stayed.
Brown pants.
Goddamn.
Brown pants.
Poopy in my pants. Poopy in my pants.
Brown pants.
Goddamn.
Brown pants.
I said not like this. Then they hit me like this.